Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Razorpay and Email Octopus. So the use case here is that whenever an order is paid in Razorpay, automatically add subscriber in Email Octopus. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Razorpay is an online payment gateway, whereas Email Octopus is an email marketing software. The issue here is that Razorpay and Email Octopus don't have any integration between them, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from Razorpay to Email Octopus. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section over here and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now we are going to sign into our account, so I'm going to click on sign in. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay, so now here we are going to create a new workflow. So I'm going to create a workflow now. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow, and I'm going to name it as Razorpay integration. Okay, now I'm going to create it. Okay, so now here in this workflow, first I am going to choose Razorpay over here. Okay, now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever an order is paid in Razorpay will be our trigger event over here. So I'm going to click on order paid over here. So now when you click on trigger event, you can see we have various other trigger events available. You can select whichever you want according to your workflow. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger event? So let me tell you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, order paid in Razorpay will be our trigger event over here. So now when you come down here, you can see this term called webhook URL. So after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Razorpay over here. So webhook, what is webhook? Webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So now here you can see we have the instructions written over here. You can just follow them. So now I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here and I'll go to my Razorpay account. So I've already opened my Razorpay account over here. The first thing you need to do is you have to select the mode in which you are using the Razorpay account, test mode or live mode. I am using it in test mode. And then in the left hand side corner, you can directly go to your settings. And here you have to click on webhooks. And here I am going to add new webhook. So I'm going to click on it. So here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from Pabbly Connect, that is this one. So I'm going to paste it. Now secret and alert email, I'm going to leave it blank. If you want, you can just fill them. Active events. If you go back to Pabbly Connect, you can see select order paid from active event section because order paid is our trigger event over here. So I'll just search for order paid, this one. And now I'm going to create webhook. So webhook has been saved successfully. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now I'm going to capture the webhook response. So now it is waiting for webhook response. That means it is time to go and create a new order in Razorpay. Then Pabbly Connect will capture this data. So I'll go to Razorpay. Okay, so now in Razorpay here I have to go to my payment pages. So I've already created these two payment pages over here. You can also create a new payment page by clicking on this plus button over here. Now I'm going to copy this link from here and I'm going to open it in new tab. Okay, so now we are going to do a payment of this order of online courses. So first name is going to be Fiona. Last name is George. Email is fiona15@gmail.com. Phone number. Okay. Now I'm going to pay 1500. So now here in preferred payment methods, you can see we have various options available. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. Now I'm going to use card. So here you have to enter the card details. I am going to use test card details over here. So I'll just copy this and I'm going to paste it. Expiry, okay. Card holder's name, okay. CVV. So now I'm going to pay 1500. Okay, so you can see we have successfully done an order payment over here. Now let's go to Pabbly Connect and see if it has captured the webhook response or not. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect. So you can see we have already got our webhook response, order paid. And if you go down here, you can see the details of the customer. Fiona George, the email is here, number is over here. Now I'll just save it. Okay. So here we have successfully finished the payment of Razorpay and Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to save it. Okay, so now let's begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate email-octopus and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button and here I am going to choose email-octopus. Okay, now in action event according to our workflow, whenever an order is paid in Razorpay, we want to add subscriber in email-octopus. That is why add subscriber is our action event over here. You can see we have various other action events available. You can select whichever you want according to your choice. Now I am going to click on add subscriber because this is my action event. Now I'm going to connect with email-octopus. Okay, create new or select existing credentials. Now, if you have any existing credential like this, you can just go forward with that. But I am going to show you how to use new credentials. Okay, so now here it is asking me for the API key and you can read the instructions carefully. So now I'm going to follow the instruction. I'll go to my email-octopus. So I've already opened my email-octopus account over here and I'm going to click on my account settings over here and I'm going to click on integrations and API. Okay, so here you can see API. So I'm going to click on this link over here. Okay, so this is the API key that is here. Okay, so I'm going to copy it to clipboard. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it over here. So this API key is going to help us to build a connection between email-octopus and Pabbly Connect. So now I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now here we have some empty fields and we have to fill the information that we have got from our webhook response. So first is list. So you might have already created a list in your email-octopus. If I go to email-octopus and I click on lists, you can see I have these lists over here: Cowtune, DiscoverTune, Radhashyam, Sarfaraz, John Doe, Asha, and so many. So if you want, you can also create a new list. So I'm going to create a list now. So I'll name it as Razorpay integration. Create. Okay, so I have created a list called Razorpay integration. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just refresh this over here. Okay, so now let us search for our list. So Razorpay integration is over here. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so now email address. So I'm going to map the email. So email is here. Status, if you want, you can keep it as unsubscribed, pending. I am going to let it be subscribed. First name. Okay, Fiona. Last name is George. So now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished the integration. I'll click on save. Okay. Now let's go to email-octopus and see if a new subscriber called Fiona George with the email fiona15@gmail.com is created there or not. So I'll go to email-octopus and I'm going to go to lists again. And I'm going to click on this. So you can see 𝗪𝗯𝗆15@gmail.com is here, first name is here, last name is also here. So we have successfully finished our integration. Now I am going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'm going to go to my Razorpay account and I'll go to my payment pages. So I'm again going to buy an online course. I have the page over here. I'll just refresh this. Okay. So the first name is going to be Markle, last name Mendes, email is markle@gmail.com, phone number, okay, pay 1500. Now payment method, I'm going to use card. So test card details, I'm going to put the test card details over here. Expiry, card holder's name, Markle, CVV, okay, pay 1500. Okay, so we have done an order payment of 1500 over here. Let's go back to Email Octopus and see if a new subscriber is created there or not. So I'm again going to go back to lists and I'm going to click on this. Okay, so you can see markle@gmail.com is over here. The first name is here, last name is here. So our integration is working fine and we have successfully finished it. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to show you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Razorpay to Pabbly Connect and then from Pabbly Connect the information went to Email Octopus. So now every time an order is paid in Razorpay, a subscriber will be added in Email Octopus automatically. So we have successfully finished our integration of Razorpay and Email Octopus using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.